Hello everyone, I'm Molly from Chinese Learning. Very nice to see you again here. Today I'm gonna share a new Chinese story with you. It is called Wūyā shuǐ. Wūyā means crow, he means to drink, shuǐ means water. So Wūyā shuǐ means the crow drinks water. Are you ready? Now let's begin. It didn't rain in the summer this year. The river and pond are dry. There is a crow flying to and fro to find water, but not even a drop is to be found. He takes a break on that branch, feeling very thirsty. The crow thinks he might die if he doesn't find water. He doesn't want to die this way. So he goes on flying in hopes of finding some water. Suddenly, he sees something shining ahead and it's a bottle of water. The crow is excited and he quickly flies to the bottle. He's disappointed after taking a look at the bottle because it's only half full. And the bottle's neck is too narrow and small for his mouth to reach inside. What shall I do? The crow thinks the problem over and over. And then he sees lots of tiny stones on the ground. Finally, a good idea comes into his mind. He throws these tiny stones into the bottle, and the water begins to rise higher and higher. Finally, he's able to drink it with happiness. Okay, that's all about this story. If you like it, you can remember. Wūyā shuǐ. Please read with me. Wūyā shuǐ. And today we have learned two new Chinese words, Wūyā and shuǐ. Wūyā shuǐ. Today's teaching is over. Next time I'm gonna share 小猫种鱼 with you, which means a kitten planted fish. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.